how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So I'm back in the setup I had the other day when I opened up the Target cat box with my cats. I thought this would be a great location for this specific video. So I'm opening my Annie's Creative Women Kit of the Month Club. So this is a craft subscription. I really liked last month. It took me a while to do. That's why I haven't posted this video yet. I had this box for a little while now, but I did finally do the project. So if you guys didn't catch last month's video, I created like a home sign, and it was super fun to do. I wish I did it sooner. I will insert a picture of what it looks like. So I put it like on my TV, like media stand, whatever you call those, and it looks really good there. Hopefully the picture captures it. But it was super fun. So today what I'm going to do is open this and then hopefully do the craft that's inside. I have no idea what it is. Hopefully it's something I can just do on the surface right in front of me and we can just kind of craft together. So yeah, before I get unboxing, I just want to remind you all that I have 4 giveaways going on, including the skincare giveaway that was highly requested. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check out those links down in the description box. So I will also leave the link to this box, and they also gave me a 50% off code. Yeah, 50% off for this box along with their other craft clubs. There's about I can't remember, like 8 or 10 craft clubs. So definitely check those out if you're into crafting. There's all different types of stuff. So yeah, I'm so curious to see what's in here. So let's get started. So it looks like we're making mini magnets. That's fun. Sorry, my ring light is very bright. Hopefully you can see me okay. So let me open this and get the plastic wrap off, and then I will show you and we'll learn more about what we're doing today. I'm so crafty. No, I'm really not a crafty person at all, but this box made me feel like I was crafty the other day. Okay, so here is the pamphlet. Still pretty reflective. Let's see. So it says mini magnets, and then it tells you how to do it inside. There's like a step-by-step for everything, which is super cool. Let's see what you need. So in your kit you get wood blocks, paint, sealer, foam paintbrush, sandpaper, rub-ons, craft stick, and magnets. You'll also need paper towels, rag, plastic cups, water, and glue. I don't know if I have plastic cups. Let's see why we need it or for what. So there's some hints on here. It says, please read all the hints before you begin. Make sure to cover your work surface before starting. Okay, I need to do that too. Acrylic paint often separates. Need tube before using. To open paint tube, twist cap, turn cap upside down, and pierce the foil seal on the tube. I don't know if I have glue either. What do we need glue for? So you glue the magnets to the back of each spot. I guess I can make them and then do the magnet part later. I don't know, let me read the directions here, guys. Okay, so the first step is to prepare the blocks. It says lightly sand over all sides of the block, wipe off with rag. Open and empty all the white paint into a plastic cup. Add water a little bit at a time. Paint the edges on one side of each block with whitewash, set aside to dry. Paint the second side, set aside to dry. And then you're supposed to add the rub-ons. Cut out each rub-on, remove white backing paper, and carefully center the rub-on with sticky side face down on the blocks. Gently rub the craft stick over it to transfer the image. Then you're supposed to put the sealer over it. Okay, so I think I could do all of this now besides glue the magnets on the back, but I can go into the store and get glue later. I want a hot glue gun, you think, or just... These look really cute though. Let me show you guys what, so there's a bunch of different ones, so I guess, I don't know if you make all of them or if you get to choose. One says, but first coffee. That is perfect. I'm definitely gonna do that one. I think that's on the bottom. Can you guys see it? One says, home is where the heart is. Be kind always. I like the be kind always. And live happy. I like that one too. Hello sunshine. I like that. Live life in full bloom. And then the other one, it looks like there's a Christmas one. I might not do that now unless there's enough blocks for all of them. So these are the little wooden blocks. I feel like these can even be like mini coasters if you wanted them to be, like for small drinks. I have like these little cups, like I think even my drink here would fit on it, but I don't know if it would like ruin the painting or whatever, but that's an idea. But it looks like there are 3, 4, 12. So yeah, there's enough to do all of them actually. So I am going to pause this and then set up to do the craft. I already have my cocktail ready. Let me taste it. I didn't even try it. I used, there's like a little bit of vodka and then a little bit of LaCroix, and then I put a little bit of the guava like pop or drink that I got in Culture Cakes. Like it's a Hawaiian pop or drink. I don't know, because it's in a pop can. I just think it's pop, but oh, it's a little sweet, but it's good. But yeah, I will be right back. Hey everyone, so I gathered all of the supplies minus the glue. I didn't have plastic cups, but I actually still had this plastic container from the last project that has like little spaces I could use to put in the paint and the sealer. I grabbed some water that I use for my plants, this little squirt bottle. Got paper towels, and well, is that everything I needed to get? Pretty much. So I just started to like sand the wood because there's 12 of them. I thought it would be boring to do that all on camera, and they seriously seem like perfect already. So I don't know. I've never like sanded something before, but it says just to sand all of the blocks of wood on both sides, and they're seriously so smooth already. And then they said to use a rag, but I'm just using like a tissue paper. So I guess we're getting it ready to paint or whatever. Only crafty people are probably like, what are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm crafting. I bet you guys are up to like way more exciting things on your Memorial Day weekend, but hey, I don't think this is too bad. All right, so I think I sanded everything. So let's get our directions out. It says, step 2, open and empty all of the white paint into a plastic cup. Add water a little bit at a time, mixing with a foam brush. As you add water until thinned out a bit. Paint edges on one side of each block with whitewash and set aside to dry. And then there's, okay. So hopefully they like dry as I'm doing the others. Let's see. Also what I did off camera was like lay down a bunch of like magazine papers on here to protect it. But okay, so it says to take all of the paint, 101 titanium white. So I punctured it, and now I'm just gonna put it all in here. Oh, I didn't do the tip that said to like knead it, but it seems like this acrylic paint is coming right out. Can you guys see it? Fine. I loved painting the wooden blocks last time. Okay, I guess we're supposed to thin it out a little bit. I hope I didn't add too much water. This doesn't seem like it's mixing like great. Okay, so now I'm just gonna paint one side of this. If it's gonna be a magnet, I don't get why we have to paint the back side. Paint the sides. Yeah, maybe I'll skip painting the back side since that's gonna be the magnet side. Now we have to wait longer. What do you guys think? I wish you guys were here. Let's paint a second coat if needed. So just painted that one white. I think that's okay, right? Let's set it over here. Grab another one. Guys, I just dropped this on my dress. I hope it doesn't do anything to it. Like, I hope it comes out. Even though I really only wear this dress at home, but well, I never really leave my home. Hey you guys, so I'm on my phone now to show you what's in front of me. So I painted one side of all of the blocks, and it seriously took less than 10 minutes. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint the back side or not, since that is where the magnets are gonna go, but I might do another layer on top since I'll have extra paint. I don't really know, but this is where we're at right now. And there's bright lights, but I will check back in once they're dry. Okay, I'm back, and I think my paint is dry, so I'm gonna go on to the next step. I realize I can move my ring light so that it is pointing the camera down, so that's why you don't see my head. I thought maybe you'd want to see what I was doing more, but let me get the directions. So I didn't paint the other side because I just don't see the point of it, and actually on their picture it doesn't look like they even did, so yeah. Oh, and I just ordered a hot glue gun on Amazon Prime, by the way, so I should get that on Tuesday, I guess not tomorrow, because I don't know, when I was in Chicago I would get Amazon Prime so fast, but here it's 2 days and I cannot complain, that's still really fast. But I'll do everything else besides the magnet part, like I said earlier. So it said cut out each rub-on, remove the white backing paper and carefully center the rub-on with the sticky side face down on the block. And then rub the craft stick over it to transfer the image. I think this was like, I mean they seem all dry, but I'm gonna start with the first one, let's see. They didn't say anything about scissors in the directions. I think most people have scissors at home. I mean, I bet most people have like hot glue guns and stuff too, but I guess I just haven't needed one since I moved to Florida. This doesn't seem like sticky, but... So I'm placing it off center because I'm not perfect, okay? Let's see, so you're supposed to just rub this over it? Can you guys see on the camera? I don't know if you guys can, but let me know if you like this kind of video. This could be like a total fail. I won't really know until I'm editing. But a lot of people in the last video said they wanted me to craft like on camera, so here we are. Am I rubbing this right? Well, it says gentle. Am I being too hard? You guys, I kind of messed it up. Damn, I shouldn't have done what I really like. Alright, so first attempt, not perfect, but first time, so I don't think this is too bad. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and add the rest on, and I will come back and show you when I'm at the part of putting on the sealant. Hey guys, I just finished applying all of the rub-ons and I think they are looking so cute. Like I did kind of mess up my first one, but otherwise I think they look really good. This one's a little bit messed up too, but it's okay. I feel like it wouldn't be like handmade if there wasn't some sort of imperfection. So I just poured out the sealant, or the sealer, whatever it's called, so I'm just going to put that over all of these. And then I am going to leave them to dry. And then I was going to post this video tomorrow on Monday. I'm filming this on Sunday. But I think I'm going to wait until I get my hot glue gun. And then I will finish it and then show you guys what they look like all done. So I will see you soon. Hey you guys, so I got my hot glue gun from Amazon and I am about to glue on the magnets once that is heated up. So this is what they all look like after being sealed. I think the ones that I painted completely with the sealant look the best. They said just to put the sealant over the actual like prints, so right there you can kind of see. But overall I think they look super cute. So what I'm going to do, there's some magnets in here and I'm going to use a hot glue gun. It just said glue. I don't know why I assumed hot glue gun, but I think any type of glue would work. And I am going to glue them on the back. So the hot glue gun was super easy. I'm starting to put them on all of them. Just want to show you how it looks. I'm just going to leave them to dry. I obviously still have a bit to do. But it's super easy, super cute. I'm super happy with this craft subscription. I mean, it's a bummer I had to wait a few days to get the glue, but I could have just gone to the store, and I think most people probably have some sort of glue at their house. But overall, I think this was super fun, super cute. I love this craft subscription. You guys definitely have to let me know your thoughts down below. But anyways, I hope you are all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here with me. Let me know if you like this kind of video. I know it's all over the place. I'm not used to using my phone. Sorry if it's super shaky right now, but yeah, anyways, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.